have been trying to communicate with you. And you come.
Leave me alone.
We must learn. You cannot keep on. You think you can deceive me? You can deceive John Bosco. What's wrong with you? I am KK John Bosco. You cannot deceive me. You can deceive KK. But me, I am very strong. John Bosco know what today. You must not run away from me today. I must make sure that I drop the... Huh? What? I'm naked, ho. KK. I thought I was with KK. No. What? What happened? What happened? So that girl is not a human being, no? Hey, KK, how will I explain to KK? So this what is KK? I thought I was with KK. No. No. Me. John Bosco, he him on attack, carry go.